I will request all my students to put the microphones on and give a hearty applause to the champion of the day. Gift Uwe, congratulations. He has gotten a
Congratulations, Augurio.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations, bro.
Congratulations.
All right, hold on just a second. Now,
Augurio.
everybody off. All the mics are off. Now, only you. Where are you, my champion? Uwe, where are you? Ugwa, here you are. Gift, there you are.
Yeah, I'm here.
How are
Sir.
you feeling? How are you feeling? First of all, show us the license. Show us the patente close.
Okay, let me take it off. Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay.
Because I cannot be,
Hey, congratulations. Well done, well done.
I'm so happy, sir.
I'm
so
very
happy
happy,
that,
very proud of you. Gift, would you, your voice is echoing. Just come closer to the telephone if possible. Would you like?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, but like a big echoing in the room, but we can hear you. It's
Okay,
it's okay. No problem. We can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can. Would you like to share? Would you like to share your experience of the when you first came and joined the class you had when you didn't know anything about the patente and how you progress and whatever you can tell whatever you feel. Feel free to. Okay.
Okay, for me, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that finally today I got my patente from Ambrish Quick Patente. I have been attending the class for. Let me just say, before I go for my theory exam, I participate like 6 months, yeah, with Ambrish Quick Patente, and after that, I passed my theory. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy to even know who is called Ambrish Patente, because he really tried for me and for his advice and everything. Everything went well. So today I'm here to say a big thanks to you who made it possible, because you are the one that made it possible for me to get the patent through your information and every other things. So I'm so happy to get my patent.
We are all very, very, very proud of you. Now you can tell all your friends from Nigeria that they can come over here and they Ambrish Patente. Okay.
Yeah, because I have already introduced 3 of my friends from Nigeria about the Ambrish Quick Patente, but I know that one person is there with you guys. But I hope that more people will be coming for the class, because it really favors me in terms of how you get some people ready. It's not something too hard, but whenever you take the instruction from Ambrish, it will be possible for you to even go, because I don't think that me as a person will even pass the theory, talk more of the weed. But after everything, things worked out. Because I have been trying for so long, but the time that I found the Ambrish Quick Patent, everything went well.
I'm very
so
happy.
My people, I have to tell you guys to take the instruction of Ambrish Patent. It will favor you guys as far as you are taking his instruction. How to do quiz, he will tell you to do quiz 7 times in a day. Just let's take the instruction. Everything will be fine, will be okay. By special grace of God and by special grace of Ambrish, everything will be well.
Thank you.
So I'm here to say thank you once again, because you are the one that made it possible.
Yes.
I'm not okay for even Italian language, but with the Ambrish patent, everything went well. I'm so happy. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you.
Thank you once again, sir. Thank you.
Very kind of you. Very sweet of you. Thank you, Gift. May God bless you.
Yeah, I don't want to forget to wish everybody in this program congratulations, because in a very good day, you guys will also be like us that they have already passed our exam and
Exactly.
everything.
Well done. Well said. Yeah, you
So I
correct.
wish you guys congratulations in advance.
Well
Yeah,
done. Congratulations to all of you. All right,
yeah,
Kim. Nice to hear from you. I'm very happy. Yeah, you really got
yeah.
very
Thank you so much.
most
Thank you
welcome.
so
God bless
much.
you. Take care.
Thank